Today I get up early. Today I will learn how to make pizza. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I prepare breakfast. I make an omelet. I toast bread. I have breakfast with tea. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I leave home. I take the bus. I go to the restaurant. I enter the restaurant. I go to the staff room. I put on the uniform. I go to the kitchen. I talk to the baker. He says that today I make my first pizza. He shows me the pizza station. He shows me the ingredients. He says the dough is already ready. We use pizza pans. He shows me the sauce. He shows me the cheese. He shows me the toppings. A pizza order arrives. It is a pepperoni pizza. The baker tells me to make it. I take a pan with dough. I spread sauce. I put cheese. I put pepperoni. I put the pizza in the oven. The baker says it takes 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I take it out. I show it to the baker. The pizza looks good. He says, "Not bad for the first try, my boy." I help the baker for the rest of the day. The day ends. I take the metro home.